Hello. Do you know how to round off for values? Today, we'll talk about the rules and methods of rounding off for values. Let's look at a set of values here. They add up to 105.0. And after rounding them up, the sum becomes 105.5. Well, after rounding off, the result becomes larger, with a difference of 0.5. Is this an error due to rounding? Oh, the calculation result will increase after rounding off. The commonly used rounding method is also a method of rounding off for values. What is rounding off for values? The process of omitting the last digits of the original value and adjusting the retained last digit to make the final value closest to the original value is called round off for values. There are generally two rules for rounding off for values. The first is rounding method, and the second is banker's rounding. In the test, the banker's rounding is generally adopted to make the test results closest to the real situation. The banker's rounding mainly includes the following 4 points. Point 1. When the leftmost digit of the number to be rounded is less than 5, it shall be discarded. That is, the reserved digits remain unchanged. Point 2. If the leftmost digit of the number to be rounded is greater than 5 or 5, and the following digits don't equal 0, add 1. That is, add 1 to the last digit retained. Point 3. When the leftmost digit of the number to be rounded is 5, and there is no figure behind it or its following digits equal 0, then if the retained digit is odd, add 1. If the retained digit is even, discard it. When the number to be rounded is negative, its absolute value shall be used to round off and then added with a minus sign. First, let's understand what the retained digits and discarded digits of rounding off for values are. There is a set of values 312.1498. If one decimal is reserved, the reserved digit is the first digit 1 after the decimal point of 312.1, and the discarded digits are 498 after the decimal point of 312.1498. If the rounding is kept to the units digit, that is, rounded to 1, the reserved digit is the units digit 2 of 312, and the discarded digits are 1498 after the units digit 2 of 312.1498. If the rounding is kept to the tens digit, that is, rounded to 10, the reserved digit is the tens digit 1 of 312.1498, and the discarded digits are 21498 after the tens digit of 312.1498, and the units digit should be 0. There is a set of values here. If we round them to 0.1, what will the result be? After observation, it is found that the digit to be discarded is less than 5. The leftmost digit is less than 5. All digits to be discarded are discarded, and the rounding result is 14.2. Let's look at a set of values and round it to 0.1. What is the result? After observation, it is found that the leftmost digit of the digit to be rounded off is greater than 5 or 5. But the digits after 5 are not all 0. The remaining digits should be added with 1, and the result of rounding off is 14.3. There is another set of values and round it to 0.1. What is the result? After observation, it is found that the leftmost digit of the digit to be rounded is 5. And if there is 0 after 5 or no digit, then when the digit is even, it should be discarded. And 1 should be added when it is odd. The rounding results of the two sets of values are 14.4 and 14.2 respectively. Negative numbers shall be rounded off based on absolute values and finally added with a minus sign. Look at this set of values and round it to 0.1. What's the result? The absolute value shall be taken first, and the number shall be rounded according to the rule of banker's rounding, and a minus sign shall be added to the result. Now that you understand the rules and methods of banker's rounding, let's summarize it with a formula. Digits less than 4 are discarded. 1 is added when digits are 6 or greater than 6. When digits equal 5, take consideration. Add 1 when digits after 5 don't equal 0. Consider whether it is odd or even when digits are 5 equals 0. If the digit before 5 is odd, add 1. If it is even, discard it. If the digit before 5 is 0, 0 is an even number. Did you get it?